If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what do you need to know about video sales presentations and one way to outshine your competition? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. Today, we are going to talk about shooting video, creating content, having sales calls, and helping you be better at what you do. Now, the impetus, the reason why I'm shooting this video is I watched a role play the other day where the sales trainer was over here with a stable camera, and then sales guy over here couldn't keep his camera straight, and it gave the worst video. And if you're going to give a presentation, you have to know that the people who are watching are absolutely looking for a reason to tell you no, peace out, Girl Scout, or I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to share with you a couple of tips after shooting thousands of videos to help you out, okay? So tip number one, go buy a camera mount. Go buy a camera mount. These things are like $30 on Amazon. It doesn't matter. Pick a brand. They're $20 to $30. They have a suction cup that can go to your window. They make these discs that are sticky on one side and flat on the other, and you can mount these things on your dash. You can articulate it. You can turn it sideways. I'll put a link. It'll hold most phones, right? It's got a button, right? It'll hold most phones. Now, the reason I bring this up is, we're past 2024, past going through 2025, moving on into the future, 2026, 27, 28, 29, 30, whatever year happens to be when you're watching this. It is unacceptable to not have some sort of stable camera these days to give a FaceTime, to give a Android version of FaceTime, to give a Zoom call, to give what a Skype, whatever you're doing, you want to make this as professional as possible. You're like, hey, Scott, I don't have the $30 right now. I got you. What you do is you grab a towel or you grab a t-shirt and you mount that towel or that t-shirt into the steering wheel, right? And you make sure that it's stable. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of tips to make you look like a pro so that when somebody's watching the video, like, you really thought about this, and I'm going to start taking away reasons for people to say no, like, I'm not going to do it. I don't want it. It's not good. That's no bueno. Okay. But before we do that, you should absolutely join my email publication, hvactechsecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training, and occasionally I try to sell you stuff. Okay? Occasionally. Got to pay for my trips and my bad habits. So, a couple of tips for you. One, you're not giving a presentation today. Go today and grab like a t-shirt or a towel and figure out where your steering wheel is, okay? Where your camera needs to be in your steering wheel. It's going to be letterbox. It's going to be on its side. It's going to be, wide version. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit record, and then you're going to want to locate where your camera is. So like my camera is on my edge, but I want to look at you. If I'm looking at the camera, it's going to seem kind of weird because it's bad eye contact. Next up, where you park matters. You want good light, but not too much that it overpowers you. You don't want the light coming from behind. You want it coming from the front or from the side, okay? Now, where you park matters. So you don't want a lot of people or cars passing you, if at all possible, because eventually somebody's going to come by and go, hey, dude, hey, chick, what are you up to? I'm trying to work here. Leave me alone, okay? And then whatever noises in the background, you want to limit it. So, if I was out selling today and I had to give a presentation, I would find a park. I would find a park with a good cell phone signal, a really good cell phone signal. I'd go through my neighborhoods and say, like, hey, where are a good couple of places for me to get a park in a parking lot for me to know that I've got a good signal here? Because around your town, there's going to be bad places. You're going to sign up for a Zoom account. It's like all of $9 a month, maybe 15, maybe 20. And then you're going to have your own Zoom account. You're like, hey, Scott, my company won't pay for it. Pay for it yourself, silly. Pay for it yourself. It's like you're going to have to pay for a mount yourself. Pay for it yourself. And then here's what happens is when somebody says, I got to think about it, got to talk to my significant other, my wife's not home, my husband's not home, have that Zoom account ready. You could get one for free and you could do up to an hour meeting. You're like, hey, Scott, I don't have $19. I don't have $20. Don't have the $30 for the mount. Okay. Like for real. You don't have the $30 for a mount. Take a t-shirt, towel, put it in your steering wheel, but go shoot a couple of videos. Go have your mom, your girlfriend, your wife, your brother, your cousin call you on Zoom so that you can get everything set up today, so that you don't have the camera bouncing all over the place and then you're like, I got this, right? This is a super inexpensive way for you to look like a pro, for you to have really good conversations. Now, here is the other thing. One last tip. Whatever's going on in front of you and whatever's going on to the side of you can't distract you. Like you want to make good eye contact, like you're having a freaking conversation for real. What you don't want is like the constant shifty, like, I'm going to get robbed. I'm in a bad neighborhood. Because people are like, hey, are you okay? It's going to distract from your sales presentation. It's going to cause you to have some problems, which you don't want. You want the ability to win. I want you to close deals. I want you to be fantastic at what you do. You got one of 3 things to do from here, just one of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.